Want to frost cakes like a pro baker? Today, I'm breaking down easy expert techniques to help you achieve a flawless cake finish every time. Stick around for pro tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're mastering cake frosting techniques, from smooth finishes to decorative piping. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tips will level up your cakes. Let's get started. First up, essential tools for cake frosting. A turntable, a must-have for an even and smooth finish. Offset spatulas in small and large sizes, perfect for applying and smoothing frosting. And a bench scraper, the secret to ultra-smooth sides. Piping bags and tips for those creative decorative elements. Lastly, a cake leveler, or knife to ensure even cake layers before frosting. Now let's talk about different types of buttercream and frosting. American buttercream, classic, simple, and easy to work with. Swiss meringue buttercream, smooth, glossy, and less sweet. Cream cheese frosting, rich, tangy, perfect for red velvet cakes. And ganache, chocolate-based, silky, and luxurious. On to frosting techniques for every cake. Always start with a crumb coat. It locks in crumbs for a clean, final layer. Use a bench scraper for that bakery-style smooth finish. Try rustic swooshes and peaks for a natural, effortless look. Add textured patterns like vertical, diagonal, waves, and zigzags to add dimension. And don't forget piping borders and writing to elevate your cake designs. Finally, some creative cake decorating ideas. A petal finish using a piping bag and spatula for a beautiful floral texture. Chocolate shavings and sprinkles for a fun, party-ready look. Cake combs can create professional textures easily. And master cupcake frosting techniques like swirls, stars, and round-tip finishes. Now you know how to frost any cake like a pro. What's your favorite frosting technique? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert baking tips. Want to master more baking techniques? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert tips and tutorials.